It's signs of the times, man. Through the spirit, man. How about Shem Yahushai? This weather, right now, it's almost 70 degrees. And it's warm, man. It's mid-February, it's supposed to be freezing. And tonight, going into tomorrow, Thursday morning, Thursday morning is supposed to be a storm. I'm hearing like 8 inches. And it's 70 degrees now. And tonight, going into tomorrow, it's supposed to be 8 inches of snow. A winter snowstorm. I've never in my life, my 30-something years of living on this earth, I've never seen weather that tripped out before. It was snowing in Hawaii. There was a winter storm in Saudi Arabia. Those are all signs of the times. You know, a lot of our people don't even know, but the earth is actually crying the end of days. You have the apocalyptic floods in Maryland. You have the apocalyptic fires in California. All these earthquakes in all these diverse places. There's the signs of the times, man. The earth is warped out. The weather's warped out, man. 65 degrees, almost 70 degrees, and tonight's a winter storm. The snowstorm in Saudi Arabia, snowing in Hawaii. You know that? The tornadoes, the worst tornadoes in history, in the centuries, man. So all that is signs of the times, man. And people are zombified. They don't know what the fuck is going on. We at the end of this bitch, though. Shalom.